Visit the largest manufacturing trade show of the year, coming to the Royal Plaza Trade Center in Marlborough on September 28th and 29th, and you're invited.
It's not just a stamping, it's not just a wire form, it's not just a spring. It has to work. We spend a lot of time at the formative stage of engineering because we know that a medical device anywhere in the world could never fail. It's called zero defect, period.
We're not just a spring company, we're very innovative when we can work with the engineers one-on-one to get them what they want, when they want it.
What makes us unique is to be able to use standard equipment to produce new and innovative products.
Springs could be wire, springs could be stamping, springs could be coil, springs could be extension and torsion. You have state-of-the-art CNC wire forming.
We are the first to ever manufacture a double torsion spring out of square wire.
We are not your typical spring company. We're a spring company who understands that stampings actuate. They have a load. We can correlate that in our lab to what that force is. We have over 30 Fourslide machines. We are the only certified minority-owned company in the United States with a 1345 medical certification.
The engineers love us.
And that's why Springfield Spring and Stamping is one of the most state-of-the-art companies you can work with.
If you're an engineer, product designer, or buyer of custom manufactured parts, then you need to be here for this 2-day live event at the Design-2-Part show. Register now, because these 2 days can change everything.